The purpose of this experiment is to be able to know and understand the mechanism of the Schiff-Base reaction, to know the characteristic of the Schiff-Base compound synthesis product, and to be able to know the identification of the Schiff-Base synthesis product through a spectrophotometer, FTIR, and GZMS. The tools used in this experiment are a set of glassware, suction balls, mortar and pestle, analytical balance, desiccator, porcelain cup, Stuart type SMP 11 type melting point apparatus, thermometer, pH meter, filter paper, GF 254 TLC plate, capillary tube, 254 nanometer UV lamp, FT variant FTIR spectrophotometer, 1000 NQP 2010s, or Shimazu GZMS spectrometer. The ingredients we use in this experiment, namely vanillin or 5-hydroxy-3-methoxybenzaldehyde, aniline, sodium hydroxide, and distilled water. The treatment carried out in this synthesis is using the green synthesis method, which use environmentally friendly materials. The treatment is by grinding without solvents. The first step is to crush the two reactants into mortar and pestle for 20 minutes until the mixture can react perfectly and change color to yellow. After that, the result of the scoring were put into a porcelain cup and insert into the desiccator. The principle of the Schiff-Base is the occurrence of two stages in a reaction, where the first stage is addition stage and the second stage is elimination stage. In this process, the breaking up of the double rod is single, then followed by the reaction of the formation of double bond. In the first stage or the addition stage, the primary amine as nucleophilic addition process occur in the carbon atom C double bond O from vanillin. In this reaction, the addition reaction occur or termination of the double bond in the carbonyl group or C double bond O to form a single C-O bond. The second stage is the elimination stage, which begins with protonation of the hydroxide group. The hydroxide group is a good-going group, so that it will then be released as a water molecule. At present, there is the formation of a double bond which form a CNR single bond, forming C double bond NR. The result of the research on the synthesis of Schiff-Base from aniline and vanillin produce a product of imine 2-methoxy-4-vanillaminomethyl-phenol in the form of a pale yellow solid. The next stage after obtaining a constant mass is carry out testing the melting point on the MPA or melting point apparatus. But in this experiment, and then we have not time to do it directly, so that the data we use is derived from previous research. According to the research of Al-Hakimi et al. 2015, the melting point of Schiff-Base synthesis products from vanillin and aniline range between 150 until 152 Celsius degree. This difference in melting point difference can indicate that the product form is lacking purity due to an impurity or the formation of a new compound. The next stage is the solubility test in the synthesis of the Schiff-Base, which aims to determine the phenolic group in the Schiff-Base compound 2-methoxy-4-vanillaminomethyl-phenol. In this process, use the principle of the Bronsted-Lowry base reaction, in which the reaction between acids and base will produce water-soluble salts. In this experiment, bases Schiff 2-methoxy-4-vanillaminomethyl-phenols are less soluble in water or form yellow deposit. However, the precipitate will become a solution again when the base compound is added sodium hydroxide, which will later form a salt product. Based on the spectra, it can explain the presence of the hydroxide group, which gives rise to a widespread absorption band that is typical in the 3000 and 200 per centimeter region. The range of CH bond sp2 aromatic group gives rise to a weak absorption band at 3000 until 3100 per centimeter. This is supported by the absorption at 1500 per centimeter, which indicates the presence of aromatic C double bond group. Weak absorption at 2800 per centimeter is due to the stretch of CH-sp3 and it's supported by the presence of methyl group in the absorption band 1400 per centimeter. The appearance of strong uptake in areas of 1200 until 1000 per centimeter indicates the presence of COC ether groups. The formation of an imine group is shown by strong absorption in the region 1550 per centimeter. The absorption band in the area 800 until 850 per centimeter indicates the presence of substitute aromatic compound. The next stage is analyzed using the GZMS instrument, which we didn't do this experiment, so we took similar data. Based on the result of the spectra obtained, it is known that the value of Z96 is assumed that this is an aniline mass spectra. The 69 Z spectra value has a 97% similarity index with molecule mass of aniline, that 63.13 grams per mole. Aniline is a reactant that is still left after the synthesis process. Aniline compounds should not already exist in the product because the purification process has been carried out. This indicates that the purification process that has been carried out is still not optimal. The reason could be due to the lack of sedimentation time during grinding. The conclusion in this shift-based synthesis practice from vanillin and aniline is the method of scoring without solvents is used, which use the optimum time range of 20 minutes so that it has solids with physical properties such as solids, yellow, melting point at 1480 Celsius degree and yield of 96.34%, whereas in the impossible identification with FTIR and GZMS is obtained a product that has a typical IR spectra of imina compounds C double bond N at 1500 per centimeter and mass spectra M per Z 96 anilines and 227 appear as the peak of molecular ions. The target compound is 2-methoxy-4-phenylaminomethyl phenol synthesis.